bump.
How does that work? How do you get that? How do I get that?
I got it the other day.
Shut it.
So what?
Yeah, open the eye. Get it out.
You got your feet. It's your. Oh, it's Daddy's feet.
Toilet. Bullet. A bear.
You up? On the whole village. Well, it's got rockets on it. Cool, isn't it? Cool, isn't it? It's old Ford, that is. Looks nice, doesn't it?
Take a picture for me. Take a picture.
I've got a video. I've got a video of that one as well.
Huh?
Got a video. Video on it. Yeah, see. I've got it. Look, got it.
That's scary.
That's scary.
It's dirty. It's dirty.
Go, Will.
This is that.
Mummy's car. Mummy loves these cars.
This car.
Yeah, she likes these cars.
Look, you like this car?
Yeah.
That's a weird.
Got a trailer. This way, Will. Big car, isn't it, Will? Has it got a mirror? It's a mirror. Hey, come on, Will. It's a mirror. Yeah, cool, isn't it?
You love this car?
That looks cool, doesn't it?
Daddy loves this car, doesn't it?
Yeah, Mummy does, yeah. Mummy favourite. Yeah?
Well, this one.
Cool.
But this one. Maybe love this one?
Yeah, maybe.
Is this one?
Yeah, she likes that one.
But this one?
Maybe.
But this one?
Maybe. Big Jeep.
Yeah.
Phil likes them cars. Hey? Grill? That's the grill, that's what they did back there. Horse wheels. It's cool, isn't it?
But we love that.
Mummy?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, maybe. Don't touch it, Will.
Look at that again, maybe.
You up?
Which car was it?
6?
Yeah.
When, which car was our 6?
But when you're younger.
I don't know.
When you're 6.
I didn't have any cars when I was 6.
Huh?
I didn't have any cars when I was 6.
Mine. But we have a new friend. Actually, we have 3 cars. We have 3 cars. Actually, we have 3 cars. I got got a present for you.
What present?
A new car present.
A new car present.
It's a golden car.
A golden car.
Yeah.
Was it made of gold?
Yeah. It's golden colour.
Yeah.
Golden wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 things. Back. One.
Them exhausts. William, wait.
No, just a pro. Around 100. Well, look at this. No, really look at that. How about this?
Nice mini.
Look at the menu.
Yeah, mini.
It's not a mini. It's not a mini. It looks like an house. That's so sweet. You're gonna get it.
That's the internet for you, isn't it?
That is not a
Yeah,
mini.
dog touch bro. Nice.
It's not a mini.
It's not mini, but well, watch me go in.
This one's that big. That's it. Kiss that one. Up here.
Yeah.
That's big. What's this one?
Two. 5.
Not that
Mhm.
but that
Cool.
Oh, I think in a minute, aren't you?
William.
I think 5 first. Then I
But this one.
Now,
Only.
our first class are leaving the arena. 3 of them have stayed, which is what we like. As I said earlier, there's more than one vitamin cherry.
Oh, not that green one.
Yeah, we'll go walk round that way.
Oh, but then I see something like this and I don't slow down again. Dropped off a bit.
Red.
Yeah, your Uncle Stephen will like that one.
Go to this one.
The green one.
Pick that one. He loves that.
You like that one.
I like it. One of my favourite colours. He loved this one well.
Yeah.
He loved that one. That's my favourite.
They're going to make one for you now, look.
Yeah, they come up when it's night time.
I always smash the wood under it.
Wood under it.
Yeah, wood
Like stop it moving.
Yeah. Tie plate. But that's
It's a Focus RS.
Triumph Spitfire.
I don't pick on it.
Who does the Triumph Spitfire?
What?
Can I go on and take a picture?
Yeah, go on.
It's a weird car.
Weird cards. What, the colour?
Yeah. Big, like green. It's like that car over there, like green one. Light mini? That's a light mini.
Oh, wait there, Will.
Where's wheels? I think.
Yeah, gold wheels.
What is? What is this mini car?
That's Fiat 500.
I think this one.
Yeah, it's the Abarth one.
This one.
No? But you like this one?
My work money has this one for when you're younger.
Yeah. There you go. It's a
10 years around.
Fiat Uno. Turbo.
Lamborghini Aventador.
My work daddy has this
Yeah,
one.
I'll believe.
10 wheels.
Yeah.
Tell me, how long has this been in your family?
Colour.
6 months. And are you enjoying it?
And
A lot.
more longer. My daddy was more longer. Have this one.
You'd have this one.
Yeah. Two longer.
Look, numbers.
Yeah. He was under 6.
No, it was alright actually. So, I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was just a fantastic.
Like that. Hey, check out. How cute this wheels? These wheels.
Wheels.
These golden wheels.
Yeah.
Have gold. Golden.
No, look. Daddy's wheels, look.
Huh?
Daddy's got them in bronze.
How about blue ones?
We've got blue ones, yeah. I think different colours.
We have golden. Look at that.
Yeah. Big Defender.
Bigger yours.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Weird.
It's weird.
This way, Will.
This is want to have a toy.
Toy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you got a toy like that.
Sure. No.
It's your car.
No, it's not my car.
Look.
It's the same colour. The badge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's big.
Yeah, it's BMW.
Be enjoyed.
this car?
205.
Huh?
205, Daddy had one of those.
When the picture.
I don't know.
I mean, it's virtually the same car, a Mountain A and a Skoda A, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, you must take great delight in all the taking heroes to speed in your mirror. Yeah, there's not much that you people with it on it.
Too cold.
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, full back goes off. I love it. Thank you.
Hey, mummy, it's mummy car again. New one.
Huh?
New one. Mummy's car. See a dog. Right, Will? Got mummy's car.
Purple car.
Purple car.
Love this purple car.
Look, purple.
Love that. The one car.
Nice one, isn't it?
Red cars do not look like. I think it's real. This wheel's real.
Multi-spokes.
like you